With abacus, small friends to add 1 is plus 5 minus 4 and small friends to less 1 is minus 5 plus 4. We can use the same formula in finger abacus when bits are not directly available. Let's learn it the smart way. Small friends are numbers that together make 5. Let's recall them. 1 and 4 are small friends, 2 and 3 are small friends, 5 is their common friend. That's why we use this special formula. Plus 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4 and minus 1 is equal to minus 5 plus 4. Simple, right? Let's see how it works with examples. Place 9, we are in 0 position. 5 and 4, 9, minus 5 plus 1. To add 1, add 5, less 4. Now plus 3. Value of the fingers is 5 and 3, 8. Next one, 44. 44 plus 11. By applying the same formula, add 5 less 4, add 5 less 4. Minus 51, less 50, less 1. To less 1, we will apply the formula less 5, add 4, plus 11. To add 11, add 1 on tens place. Add 1 on ones place by applying formula. Add 5 less 4. Value of the fingers is 1 and 5. 15. Next 24. 24 plus 21. 21. Add 1 on ones place by applying formula. Add 5 less 4. Minus 30. Minus 11. To less 11, we have to less 1 from tens place. Less 1 from ones place. Less 1 directly from tens place and less 1 from ones place by applying formula less 5, add 4. Value of the fingers is 4. Let's do the last one. 45. 45 minus 21. Minus 20 minus 1 by applying formula less 5, add 4 plus 51. Add 50 and add 1 by applying formula add 5 less 4 minus 11. Less 1 from tens place and less 1 from ones place by applying formula less 5, add 4. Value of the fingers is 50 and 10, 60 and 4, 64. When you practice finger abacus, don't just move fingers. Say the formula aloud. To add 1, add 5, less 4, to less 1, less 5, add 4. Saying and doing together helps you remember faster and builds your mental image of abacus. So today we have revised the small friends of 1 and practiced with examples of both addition and subtraction. Keep revising this concept every day. It's the foundation of bigger number operations. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to Zippy Learning for more Finger Abacus Plus lesson and mental math tricks. Thanks for watching and remember, faster fingers make smart minds.